Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Motorola Moto G53. And to do this you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, try to find the Google Classroom. Select it and install it. When it's finally ready, click on the Open, allow to send notifications and click on Get Started. Choose the account for the classroom and click on OK. Then tap on the plus button, join the class, enter the class code in a pool right here, and when you're ready, you should be able to join it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.